HVAC fan motor failures. HVAC fan motor failures, signs, causes, and solutions. Your HVAC system is a vital component of your home, ensuring comfort and efficiency throughout the year. However, like any mechanical system, HVAC components can experience wear and tear, leading to malfunctions. One common issue that can arise is HVAC fan motor failure. Signs of HVAC fan motor failure. Several telltale signs indicate a potential problem with your HVAC fan motor. Weak airflow. If you notice a decrease in airflow from your vents, even when the system is running at full capacity, it could be a sign of a failing fan motor. Unusual noises. Strange sounds like rattling, squeaking, or grinding coming from your HVAC unit could indicate a faulty fan motor. These noises often suggest worn-out bearings or loose components within the motor. Inconsistent operation. If your AC system turns on and off intermittently or fails to start at all, it could be due to a malfunctioning fan motor. Overheating. An overheating fan motor can cause the HVAC unit to shut down prematurely or trigger the circuit breaker. Causes of HVAC fan motor failure. Several factors can contribute to HVAC fan motor failure. Lack of lubrication. Proper lubrication is essential for the smooth operation of the fan motor bearings. Over time, lubricants can dry out or wear away, leading to increased friction and motor failure. Failed run capacitor. The run capacitor is a critical component that provides the initial surge of power to start the fan motor. A faulty capacitor can prevent the motor from starting or cause it to run inconsistently. Bearing failure. Bearings support the rotating shaft of the fan motor. Over time, bearings can wear out due to constant use or improper lubrication, leading to noise, vibration, and eventual motor failure. Electrical issues. Electrical problems such as voltage fluctuations, loose connections, or damaged wiring can cause the fan motor to malfunction or fail altogether. Water damage. Exposure to water or moisture can damage the fan motor's windings, leading to corrosion, short circuits, and motor failure. Solutions for HVAC fan motor failure. If you suspect a problem with your HVAC fan motor, it's best to consult a qualified HVAC technician for diagnosis and repair. Attempting DIY repairs without proper expertise can worsen the problem or pose safety hazards. A technician will inspect the fan motor and identify the root cause of the failure. Common solutions include lubricating bearings. Applying proper lubrication to the fan motor bearings can extend their lifespan and reduce friction. Replacing run capacitor. If the run capacitor is faulty, it will need to be replaced with a compatible capacitor to restore proper motor operation. Replacing bearings. Worn out or damaged bearings need to be replaced with new ones to ensure smooth rotation and prevent motor failure. Thanks for listening. Please check description for much more.